Standard 8 Math Chapter 2 Exercise 2.5 આમાં હું પણ 3, 6 અને 10 3 દાખલા ગણીશ, બાકીના તમારે જાતે ગણવાના છે. એટલે આમાં આ બધા રેશનલ નંબર છે અને વેરિયેબલ છે એ એક કરતાં વધુ જગ્યાએ છે. એટલે થોડા લાંબા દાખલો છે, પણ મેથડ એ જ છે કે આપણે લેફ્ટ ટુ રાઈટ સાઈડ ચેન્જ કરીએ ત્યારે શું કરવાનું. અને એટલે let's see, and other thing you need to know is how to do the addition and subtraction, multiplication, divide of the rational number. So let's first move all the x on the left side and all the numbers on the right side, and then we will do the simplification. So if I write x minus 8x divided by 3, and on the right side is the minus 5x by 2. So if I take on the left side, it becomes positive 5x divided by 2. And now if I take this 7 on the left side to right side, it becomes negative, and 17 divided by 6 was already there, and this 7 take from left to right, it becomes negative 7. So now we moved everything x on the left side and numbers on the right side. So now next step is like x, you have to think x is x divided by 1. This 7 become 7 divided by 1. So now this is 1, 3 and 2 is in denominator here. So you have to know the common denominator for all these three numbers is 6. So now 6 divided by 1 becomes 6 here. And if you multiply by on the top number, there is x, means there is only 1. So this becomes 6x. Then this 3 and 6, 6 divided by 3 becomes 2, and 2 you multiply by with 8, so it becomes 2 times 8x. And then this 6 divided by 2 becomes 3, and if you this 3 multiply by this numerator 5, so it becomes 3 multiplied by 5x. So this is the extra stuff that you should know even before this calculations, that how to find the common denominator. So on the right side also 6 is common denominator, so we can write 6 under here, and so 6 divided by 6 is 1, and this 1 and 1 if you multiply by with 7, so 1 multiplied by 17, and this minus here, and this 1, 6 divided by 1 becomes 6, and this 6 you multiply by with 7, so that's the denominator. So 6 divided. So this step is done. And now since 6 is under both sides, so we can see if you this under 6 on the left side, you move on the right side, it goes on to top, and this 6 from right side go left side, it becomes it goes on the top, so we can cancel that out. So if you want to write down this thing again, next step you can say 6x. We don't need to put under 6 into both sides because both sides are equal. So if you multiply on 6 on both sides, it becomes same. So as long as we are doing the same thing on the left side and right side, the value don't change. So that's why we can write 6x minus 8 times 2 is 16x plus 5 times 3 is equal to 15x. And on the right side, 17 minus 7 times 6 is 42. So now I'm not putting under 6 anymore because we don't need to. We are cancelling on both sides. So now if you simplify this one, 15 plus 6 21, and minus 16 it becomes 15 plus 6 21 minus 16 is becomes 5. So on the right side, on the left side becomes 5x, and on the right side 17 minus 42 becomes 17 minus 42 becomes uh, 20, minus 25. Minus 25. So now this 5 moves on the other side, then x becomes minus 25 divided by 5. And so again, if you simplify minus divide 5 becomes pachu pachu pachis, so minus 5. So this is the answer. X is equal to minus 5. So like I said, the important thing here is to how to move from left to right, left uh, left to right, and right to left. So when you move that, you have to change the sign, and you have to find the common denominator and how you do the calculations.